Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. In today's tutorial, we are going to be painting on a Mad River stone that I had collected. A few weeks ago, I posted a video about it. So I encourage you to please go and check that out if you haven't already. It's a quick little video to take you on the journey with me when I go rock collecting. So it's a beautiful place that I visit whenever I go and visit family. So, and when there's no snow, so the water does get cold. Anyways, so today we're going to be painting a grumpy monster. As this is a very quick and easy thing to paint. You can do it on any size stone. You can use it on any other canvas of your choice. So that being maybe an art stone that you created from the molds from the Happy Dotting Company, or maybe it was something that you have like a piece of wood that you're going to paint it on, or whatever your choice of medium is to paint this little guy on. It's a very quick and simple, and you can do them in any shape you want. So I liked that this was kind of like a rectangle, and I don't know if anybody remembers. Let me know in the comments if you do. But this guy kind of reminds me of Grimace from the characters that used to be so popular with McDonald's. So I just made him grumpy. Maybe he's grumpy because he's no longer one of the characters, or maybe they don't use him as much. I don't know. But you remember him with, there was Grimace, Ronald McDonald, and the Fry Guys, and the Burglar, all those guys. So anyways, that's what he kind of reminds me of. So I used purple Pizzazz as the base coat that I painted on top of the black. And now I'm using Wild Orchid. Now this is his mouth, his bottom jaw. And I just added those little loops on either side to give him jowls, because that's going to determine where I put the teeth, which is what I'm doing exactly right now. So I give him two teeth on one on each side, and those are his big jowl teeth, or the back teeth that kind of make him look really scary. And then I give him his two front teeth, and then I add in a couple of teeth on either side just to give him a little bit more chewing action. And then I also give him two teeth that are facing down. So they're the top teeth that are sort of over top of his lips. And so you'll see that in a few minutes. But this guy, very quick and easy to do. He was so much fun. And you don't have to use the colors that I'm using. They will be listed in the description below, both the brand name and the color. But you can use whatever you want. You can make this guy a green guy. You can make him pink, make him green. Did I just say green? I think I did. Blue, whatever color you want. You can make them whatever color that you really like and want to see as a grumpy monster. So now you just saw me use the dotting tools that I got from the Ditting Center. There's a link in the description below, and there is a 10% discount code if you are wanting to purchase your own. She also has many other things there that are great for dotting. There's stencils. She also has many tutorials and things like that to follow along on. So I urge you to go and check that out. So now I'm just outlining everything in black with my fine lining brush, and I did get this one from Temu. So I'm not sure if they still have them or not. And they work really well. I really like them. They're actually nail styling brushes. So if you can't find these on Temu, I'm sure that on Amazon you can find them just by searching up nail brushes. They're for doing the tiny details and things like that for designs using nail polish, but I don't do that, so I use them for my paintings, and they work great. I love them. So I'm just using it to outline everything in black. And then if I have anything like that front tooth there where the white is showing, I can just go in with my dark purple and cover that up, and everything looks as it should. So let's give him some eyebrows that makes him look sort of angry or grumpy. And then, oh, there, I already fixed up that one tooth if you were watching. Now I'm giving him the two at the bottom. So like I said, very quick, easy, fun, um, really awesome thing to paint. And then I wanted to make him look like he was sitting down. So these are his back paws that he's sitting on, or his back feet. So I just make basically like a little flower shape. I load up my brush, push up, and then pull down as I lift up to have it all come down to a point. So that's what I do for his little feet, and I put little pads on him, and of course I got to give him some sharp nails on there as well. And I outline that all in black as well. The best way to let me know that you like this video is by giving me the thumbs up. And if you're new, welcome. I urge you to please subscribe to my channel and make sure you ring the notification bell, because it gives you a notification every time that I upload a new video. So you don't want to miss anything. I've got so many cool things planned, as well as with this Halloween series that I've been doing. I'm posting like one a day. So you don't want to miss anything, and make sure, so ring that, that notification bell. So back to the painting, I gave him some beady little eyes that go into that black spot there that I made earlier with the dotting tools. And I just used a nail stylus to put in the small little white dots. And now I'm just doing the pads on his back feet there, because he's kind of sitting on his legs, or on his bum, I should say, so that his legs are sticking out in front of him. And I'm just putting these little pads on him and outlining everything in black. I know he's supposed to be a grumpy monster, but folks, I'm telling you, this guy is so cute. I just love him. So, and you can make whatever you want when it comes to these kinds of things, any shape, any color. I know I've mentioned it before, but make it yours. The colors that I'm using are just colors that I have in my inventory. So I urge you to look at what you've got in your inventory and use that. But I do list all of the colors, the brand names, and the actual name of the paint in my description. So if you're interested in exactly what I'm using, you can go and check that out. So there's his little claws, and now I'm just going in doing some touch up with the dark purple color, and cleaning it all up with the pads on his feet and stuff. And then after this is all done, I let it dry for 24 hours, and then I give it a coat of resin, and then I let that sit for another 24 hours, and then it's finished. So it's just a very quick, cute little guy you can do. Takes about maybe an hour, and it's finished. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, folks, that life is what you make it. So get creative.